Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon for the all participants in this room. For this time, we will come to international research class. We will try to discuss about the how to make the comparisons, the news model created by Rado Institutes, namely New Modified Science Power Rado Institute Distribution and the New Modified Science Weibull Distribution. New modified sine Weibull distribution you can find on the one research article is a very nice research article, and then like this one. Okay, in this research article there is the one density functions. We call that the new modified science Weibull distribution. Okay, like in the equation 6. Equation 6 is the new modified science Weibull distribution. This is density function. And the equation 5 is the cumulative distribution function of the new modified sine Weibull distribution. These two models, we will try to comparison with the new models created by the Rado Institutes, namely the new modified science, the Power Rado Institute distribution. The new modified science Power Rado Institute distribution, we have discussed about this about the 1 week ago. You can find in the www.radoinstitute.com how the idea to process to create the news models, new modified science Power Rado Institute distribution. For these times, we will try to make the comparisons. The new modified science Weibull distribution and the new modified science Power Rado Institute distribution using the data. Okay, the data about the data wind speed energy in the 20 January 2020. Okay, the data you can find on this website, because in this research article there is information how to take the data. Okay, you can find in this website, and you will try to find the data only in January in the 2020. Okay, so from this data we will using the two models, the new modified sine Weibull and the new modified sine Power Rado Institutes. So we're using the density plot and the cumulative plot to make the comparison, and we choose which one is the best. Okay, we will try to open our the R's. Okay, we try to open our R. Okay, this one is R coding. This is data. The data, the wind speed energy data. This is our data. Run. Okay, we can check the data here. So after we have the data, we have learned about this. This model is the log likelihood of the new modified modified science Power Rado Institute distribution. We have discussed about this one. Okay, we run this data, we run this program. Okay, we run this. Okay, come to the console. We check to the parameters. To check the parameter, you just type or the copy this one, and then you put this one. Okay, this is parameter for the new modified sine Power Rado Institute distribution. Parameter 1, parameter 2, and parameter 3. Okay, with the minus log likelihood 49.7. We have discussed about this model, yes? Now, for the non-modified science Weibull, okay, this one. This is the coding the R for the log likelihood of the new modified science Weibull distribution. Okay, the blue one is the density function of the new modified science Weibull distribution. The blue one. Okay, we run our program. Okay, so we use Optim to estimate the parameter of this density function with the initial value 1 for the each parameters. So we run our program. Okay, we check the model, we check the parameter, we type NM SW. Okay, this parameter. Okay, this parameter 1, parameter 2, and a parameter 3 with the minus log likelihood 50. So from the minus log likelihood, we can conclude that the new modified science power Rado Institute distribution is better than the new modified science Weibull distribution, because we had known that minus log likelihood of the new modified sine power Rado Institute distribution is smaller than the minus log likelihood of the new modified sine Weibull. So that wise, from the value of the minus log likelihood, we can make the conclusion that new modified science power Rado Institute distribution better than new modified science Weibull distribution. And based on the density plot and the cumulative plots, okay, we will try to make the comparison with this two plot. Okay, like this one. Okay, from this one, we can learn the blue one is a four density function of the new modified science Weibull distributions, and the red one is the new modified science of the power Rado Institute distribution. So we can see from this graph, the red one is a very close with the histogram. So it means we can make the conclusion that new modified sine power Rado Institute distribution is better than the new modified sine Weibull distribution. From the density, from the cumulative plot, we can find the same conclusions. The red ones is a very close with the gray ones. So from these two plots, the density plot and the cumulative plots, and from the minus log likelihood value, we make the conclusions that new modified science power Rado Institute distribution is better than new modified science Weibull distribution. So from our discussion today, Rado Institute have shown to the audience that the Rado Institute, the model's probability created by the Rado Institute distribution can give the better results from the old model. Old models, I mean that the other model has published on the some research article. Okay, things never confuse to using that model's probability created by Rado Institute to application by the some data sets. Okay, since our discussion today is very nice discussion, especially we have the good conclusion about the comparison, the modeling, new modified sine power Rado Institute distribution and the versus new modified sine Weibull distribution using the set data of the wind speeds energy. Okay, see you again. Rado Hendra, Rado Institute. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.